here's a video just about navigating through the hallways. Frederick will be sitting in his wheelchair, generally be stowed right in front of him, so it's tight in. It's not going to go further out than the actual wheels themselves. But if it gets pushed aside, let's say he's eating a meal, then it can get rotated out like that. That can go to the side when he's eating. And remember to roll it back in, because if this stays stowed on the side, it's going to be extra wide, of course. So it needs to be rotated back inwards. The easiest way is using the round rod and cranking it radially like that. And there, it's nice and tight again. And this again can be tilted like I showed you in the main mount video. And that way he can easily go and navigate without hitting doors and walls so much. Switching from wheelchair mode to bed mode, the wheelchair gets rolled back pretty close to that cabinet behind there, closing the brakes on the wheels. Now this part, someone should be helping Frederick with this. This gets rotated around, so the round rod radially here, like that. And then from here, I'm going to grab the black metal to rotate it around like this. And it can be rotated some more, like this, and like that. See, the angle's different now.
Play a game of cards.
Excellent. So there's also these gloves. These have magnets on them, so they can be stored anywhere on the mount itself, on the round rod, for example. And can you grab these gloves? Can you see them? Great. And he can actually put the gloves on. That reveals, you can put them on. Go ahead. The gloves reveal the pointer finger and the thumb. That makes it a lot easier for him to use the apps.